Hi, I am Hema from India. I have been met with the depression. Also, I am suffered a lot. When I find her, Evelina walked there, and my life has completely changed. Now I have been treated with the depression, and now I am doing well with my career, and also my mental health is very good because of her. Thank you, Evelina Wahta.